So I'm here at the Botanical Gardens, and now it's a nature center. They were going to tear it down, but they got some funding, changed it to the city, and now they're going to keep it. So thought I'd come back and visit. They've changed a lot, got rid of some back woods, but it still looks pretty beautiful. All right. I'm at the outside of the reserve, of the center, nature center. And as you can see, there's hotels that way. Yeah. All right, so we have gone off the beaten path completely, and we are in the deep. You guys might appreciate this.